It's the winter season and it's time to embrace it. With Munilicious Locs, winter has got nothing on you. So stay beautiful with these simple tips. Use green tea in a spray bottle to hydrate your locks. Dilute rosemary oil with water and spray on your scalp to moisturize your locks. Spray a little bit of tea tree oil or lemongrass oil after each wash day. Keep your locks clean and always retighten every 6 weeks. Keep warm and stay beautiful with Munilicious Locs. Season's greetings from Munilicious Locs. Have a beautiful new year.